This is the biggest scale I've ever worked at. There's no magic trick to it, man. It's just kind of labor and diligence and just putting in the hours. There's a lot of odes to my family in there. You know, I got my CH, that's for the wife, Rudy Herrera. I got the 2012, that's actually the year the boy was born. You know, I had this bear when I was a little boy that my mom would tell me would come to life and fight monsters when she wasn't around or when I was afraid of the dark. And he has a little robot in his like marsupial pouch. And when he went to pre-K 4SA, you know, it was hard for me. I dropped him off, I cried, I did all that stuff. And when he came back, you know, he introduced himself as Rocco the robot. That was a realization to me. It's like, oh shit, you know, my boy's growing up, he's starting his own life, you know what I mean? Oh, he's actually has his own identity and all this stuff going on. So that was heavy for me, right? So to me, you know, I'm a little bit of that bear and that robot's a little bit of him. And at least in this situation, you know, we're still always like that close, you know? That's probably the best part to me, is that I could put this little stamp and, you know, I could always look at that and at least I have a physical remembrance of that time, you know, and that was a little treat I gave to myself to make me feel good.